Hi, I'm David with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing and Drain. Why does my dishwasher smell? The most common cause of an unpleasant dishwasher smell is from a dirty or blocked drain filter. The drain filter usually sits at the bottom of the dishwasher's interior. Take the filter out and give it a good hand wash. Spray down the inside of your dishwasher with a vinegar and water mixture, and pour a small amount of vinegar and baking soda down the dishwasher drain. Let this sit for a few minutes and then run a rinse cycle. This should eliminate all odors easily. For all of your plumbing needs, give us a call today.